welcome back to our sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. We came to the Nature and Science Museum. There's a preview. We are currently waiting for the lay people, like always, the same people. ¿Que estoy posing? It's okay. My pose. Okay, we made it. They head to toe. Say hi.
Hi. We here a paseo y vamos a ver a los dinosaurios. ¿Cómo nacen dinosaurios? Así.
Rawr. Say hi. Dile, say hi.
Hi.
Dile welcome back.
Estamos dinosaurios.
A los dinosaurios. Oh my god. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Diga hola.
Hola, hola.
Salude a la gente. ¿A quién le mandan saludos?
Hola.
Say hi.
Carrillo, Puerto Loreto, Zacatecas.
Say hi, papi. Hi. Say hi. Romeo. He's like, oh no.
We are currently at the kids' playroom. There's the owner of the vlog. I think at this point we're gonna name it Nelly's channel. Look at the moon. It's black. Always late.
Obvio.
Always.
What?
The first person to touch the moon. This is the biggest one. Probably bigger than Jalen's head.
You know what I said? I was like, I don't know what's bigger, the moon or my head.
Baby, listen to me. The moon is bigger, but your ideas are even bigger. There's Jalen's boyfriend. Jalen's boyfriend has officially made it to the thing. To the vlogs. To the vlogs. Look.
I want to see your age.
Dile hola. You want to see what? He wants to see Uranus. Can you move? Can you move your big head? Look. Look. There's Uranus. Do you like it?
Yes.
So cool. Dile hola. Look. Look, there's some peanut butter with banana. Buzzing.
Se hacen y
That's scary. ¿Qué es eso?
hizo popó como vuela para arriba.
¡Ew, Nino! ¿Usted se veniría a vivir aquí?
Sí,
¿Por qué?
gratis.
Wow, look, that is cool. We are in Mars. Pose. Thank you. Look, it's Wally. Oh. Vamos a seguir. Mira. Wow, qué bonito. Boom. What do you think about that? Do we steal them? Yes. Maybe another day. Okay, guys. So, wait, you already... Yeah, you did, huh? Look at guys. He's holding the baby. Aw, family. Just kidding. That is so ugly. Okay, guys.
Hola, bye.
So, we just got out of the gems and minerals. That thing over there. What? Oh, it's half of the crew right here. We're waiting for the other crew. How are you guys? How you liking the museum so far, Nelly?
It's amazing. It brings back so many childhood memories.
Really?
Yeah.
¿Ustedes les está gustando el museo?
Sí, me gusta mucho el museo.
¿A ti, Oscar, te gusta el museo?
How does yours feel?
Sí, me gusta mucho el museo.
Are you guys liking the museum so far?
Let me see how I look. Let me see how I look.
How you liking the museum so far?
It's cool.
Come on, Juan Jay, you made it to the family vlogs. Te ves negro, Juan Ángel.
Déjame, no. It's going down. You can't see me.
Yeah, you have to like.
It's going
the
really good.
Must go see the movies.
You did last time.
Wow.
In the California vlog,
Where you went like
I went
that?
like this. And you saw my big ass forehead.
Okay, guys. I guess we'll see you guys when the whole family is back together.
We need another trip that involves no children. Let's not say no. Just saying. Just give me.
They're
my
like,
opinion.
there's just like, leave the kids, take the teens.
Right.
But
We adults. What you know about that, huh?
yeah. But we just need to wait for the rest of the family for we can keep it going. And I think we're missing like
I don't know how many sections. We're missing like a water section, and we're missing.
There's a water section?
That's what they were saying, and then the mummy section. That. But yeah.
Bye.
We are currently in the red room. If you know, you know what the red room is. Bruh, look at these salchichas over here. Mira, like more dead birds. Rest in peace. Well, what do you think about the dead birds on display? Dude, that's homicide, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about the dead birds on display?
Imagine they're teaching kids to have dead birds around.
You talking to me? Or
Look, Oscar, it's you.
I thought that was you.
Oh, sweetie.
That's your mama.
Oh my. Let's not say that one. Look, this is cool. Look at the butterfly. Look at the dead birds.
Look, baby munching on this cookie.
Insert chewing noises.
Me after we go to Texas Roadhouse. Tomar una foto.
Mira, qué bonita niña. We're entering the green room. We are currently in the middle of Jumanji. Let's see if Kevin Hart comes out, perhaps The Rock. ¿Qué es eso?
No sé.
Qué asco, ¿verdad? Qué asco.
Qué
Mira,
asco.
un alacrán.
Qué asco.
Apriétale al botón. Emilio, ¿te gusta la rana? Touch his head. Touch his back of his head.
Hi.
He don't like it.
You don't like it?
I saw those at PetSmart the other day. Ew, look at that ugly fish. What are you doing, Sebastian?
Fishies.
A fishy. Do you want a fish? Those are nasty. I saw those at PetSmart the other day. What does it say?
Babe, you need to get in my DMs for my wild colors.
What?
I got wild colors. You got DM me, girl.
He's fruity for you, baby.
Yeah.
This is Women's Month, sir.
It's St. Patty's Day.
What do you think about the museum so far?
It's freaking amazing.
What do you think about the museum so far?
I love it.
Thank you. What do you think about the museum so far?
I don't know. I used to like it when I used to come with my friends. Because andábamos noviando.
Entonces no estaban viendo el museo.
No. Ahorita ya no se me hace interesante.
What do you think about the museum?
No, there's too many people and I hate it.
Yeah. What do you think about the museum?
OMG, wow, this is so amazing. I am so happy, wow.
¿Cómo le está gustando esta experiencia? ¿Qué pensó de todos los pajaritos?
Desde mis pajaritos.
What do you think about the museum?
He's shiny.
What do you Juanaca, show me your feet and tell me what you think about I'm all alone. All alone. Así, mira. Muévela, muévela, muévela.
Ya levántate conmigo. Ya levántate. No se quiere levantar.
Tiene que pagar la renta, ya levántese, oiga.
¿Qué tal si ese era el amor de mi vida y su vida?
¿Qué tal, verdad? Mira su cara. ¿Tú crees que
Levántate, levántate. Eres el amor de mi vida, por favor.
Madre, hasta los pinches cocodrilos.
That looks like a tampon.
You look like a tampon.
You look like a tampon.
Oh, cabezón. Írelas, írelas, írelas.
me gustan.
¿Y por qué a mí nunca me ayudas así en la casa? It's all the stairs. Hey. Toma. ¿Qué es eso? Oh, what? Oh, is that a melon?
I'm dead.
That's not melon?
That's a uterus.
That's a uterus?
No, it's inside every seed a plant, embryo, and enough food. That's how you looked when you were in my Naila's stomach.
Dun 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 dun. Son dinosaurios, ¿cómo que Avatar? ¡Ey, no te metas ahí! ¡Ey! Eres el tamaño de un Minion. Ah, mira la Denise.
That's my boyfriend.
¿El esqueleto?
We look like what?
Yeah, I do look alike. We're at IHOP. I told her, I was like, watch, when we're leaving, you guys are gonna say que vamos a ir a comer.
Vamos a comer.
I don't know.
Texas Roadhouse.
Texas Roadhouse.
Texas Roadhouse.
Oh my. How was your experience as an adult at the museum? You didn't like it because we were rushed or what?
A few moments later.
I remember it being so much bigger. Like now.
Maybe because we were little kids, you know. Everything's so big. We had a lot of time to do this. Serio.
Ahí.
¿Dónde? Wow. No, no podemos ir abajo. Y le vaya al dinosaurio.
Ay, dinosaurio.
Oh my. You creepy as.
Que es una hora.
Oh, thank God.
Y luego era para
To Target.
Vamos al Chick-fil-A.
¡Está cerrado!
Yo les pago.
The hell is they doing? What are you doing? Taking a shot. Are you serious? Yeah. What the?
Hey, let's go to Texas.
Galileo.
Galileo. Somebody should pretend
What are
it's their
these?
birthday. Hey, whose birthday? Whose birthday?
Hey, Lily.
Gio's, no?
Oscar.
I thought you were giving it to me.
Did you chug it?
Yeah. I tasted it. You're gonna break it.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, I thought you was I can't breathe.
No, we're in 30.
They told us we're not supposed
Te
to.
measte. Ya está dando todo mojado.
Mojado.
Yeah, like on his pants, his jacket. Yeah, suck it.
Jump scare.
You haven't even vlogged at all.
Because I've been too busy.
You or Gio posted on Facebook a link and I clicked on it.
Oh, that was me. I'm the one that shares it everywhere. Sorry, we recorded in one day, but it takes me a whole week.
If you post more recently, I'm gonna enjoy your vlogs.
That's what we're trying to do, but we haven't done anything. We haven't gone out. We came to Texas Roadhouse. Oh, that tequila shot hit me on my stomach now. I can feel it. ¿Se eché un pedo?
Ah, pero ahí andamos en el pinche parking lot. Y ahora Juanita no puede ordenar. I see Juanita looking at the man and she's like, can I order? Hola.
Work for.
Yeah. Album in the chick box. Go watch her vlog. I need a 30 business
Ah,
days.
bullshit. It takes me like a week to.
Watch the titty pop out. You just gotta say that.
Like my cousin popped the titty.
Watch to the end.
What do you mean? Come on.
Can you hold it?
What were you gonna call him?
I wanted a Jole chili.
Olay chile?
A chile toreado.
Can I get a chile toreado? There you go.
Oh, thank you. Ole.
Gio, you got some in your chin.
What?
These nuts.
No, you got it. Pinche Paola. Chile mojado.
The wet chili. The Oreo wet chili. Hey, that's not wrong because the Oreo wet chili.
Yeah.
You gotta order stuff for my dad.
Ole chile.
You want a Jole chili?
Que pida un chile. Ole. Ole.
So what's the move after this?
You house?
Oh, hell no. Smokey? Hey, Smokey!
Smokey, where's Smokey from?
Friday.
With my little cholo. The little Belinda o Beliquita, ¿cómo se llama?
Oh, sí, la película.
Hola, Bélica.
Belica y el babo. I'm about to tell him, my nigga, you need to go bald.
The owner of the vlog right now has her oreja tapada. And look at guys, look at her oreja's tapada.
Can't hear.
Vale, bye vlog.
Bye, ya podemos me.
Guys, hope you guys enjoyed our day today. Bye.
They call me a